Okay, part two of making some basic stock. So, I have. Oh, I think I don't want to lose you. I don't want to lose you. All right. So we've now got everything that we've just chucked in, and I have brought it to the boil, which is great. Then remembering this was only half a plot of fluid, and with now all the added extras that we've put in there, it's now actually a full pot. I'm going to be reducing the heat down to half or above a simmer, but not a full boil. And that's pretty much what you're actually looking for. And then I'm going to put the lid on, and then I will let it sit for a minimum of an hour. Now that will reduce down. It's already got a little bit of colour. As you can see, the colour's actually coming out, and that's actually because of the tomatoes. So you have a look at that. There was not a lot of, was that one little bit of stock that I put in, and the tomatoes already starting to leach some colour. The rest of this is going to flavour. Believe it or not, it's actually smelling really nice already. So I will now bring that down, and then we'll see what happens next.